Hi, this is Crystal. Today we're going to learn how to cook authentic Chinese fried rice. Fried rice is one of the most popular Chinese household meals I love very much. I've been living in the States for more than 14 years now. I've been to many Chinese restaurants, buffet styles, nice dining ones. I've tried different versions of fried rice. But the taste? Most of the time, it's too salty, sometimes too dry, and a lot of times there's just too much stuff in the rice, which kind of ruins the real taste of what I like about fried rice. I literally have to call for help from my mom by making long-distance calls to let her teach me some of the key steps, how to make the fried rice taste good. If you like fried rice and wondering how to cook yourself, in this video, I will teach you what I do at my house to make the real, authentic Chinese fried rice with only 5 ingredients: eggs, green onions, salt, oil, of course, rice. Just like what the greatest architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe said, less is more. I believe good taste comes from simplicity. I think we have enough introduction. Now come to my kitchen. Let's get started. First, prepare eggs. I use 2 eggs. Crack it in a bowl and stir it until it's evenly blended. Then put the wok on the stove. Turn the heat on high. Cooking time. Pour about 2 tablespoons oil in the wok. I like to spread the oil around by rotating the wok. Wait until the oil becomes hot. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 seconds. I use my hand to feel the temperature of the oil. You don't have to do this step. The ideal oil temperature is to hear the sizzling sound when you pour the blended eggs in the wok. This time I think I poured it in too early, but it should not affect the taste too much. Then grab the spatula to stir the egg. This step is important. You need to stir until there is no liquid left, and keep stirring to break the eggs into small, tiny pieces, so later on the rice and eggs can mix together very well. Stir until you see the surface of the small piece of eggs turn slightly brown, and you will smell the aroma of the eggs. That is the time to put the rice in. I have a bowl of rice, about 2 cups. The rice should be overnight cooked rice. The newly cooked rice has too much moisture in it, make it taste a little soggy. Not ideal choice for fried rice. Overnight rice dries out, and it also saves your cooking time. My rice has white and brown rice mixed. That's because my kids love white rice, and mom, that's me, want the family eat more healthy. So we settle in the middle. The brown rice also adds more texture in it when you chew on the rice. That's the fiber to keep your digestion system move smoothly. After you add the rice in the wok, use your spatula to chop the rice and make it well blended with the egg. You should not see any big chunk of rice standing out. To this point, we have not added any dressing in it. This is very critical. We're trying to let the natural flavor of the egg and rice fully mix together. If you put soy sauce or other liquid dressing in, which kind of cover the natural flavors, I'll let the egg and rice cook for 1 to 2 more minutes while using the time to prepare the green onion. 1 piece of green onion is enough. Cut off the head, chop the onion into tiny pieces. Green onion adds more freshness to the rice. It should not be cooked too long. If you see some brown edges of the green onions, that's too long. 1 to 2 minutes should be enough. And if you're sensitive to the green onions, try to wear a goggle or big glasses to prevent from crying. Put the chopped onion in the rice. Mix. Let the onion fully touch the eggs and rice mix. The last step is to put salt in. I put the salt in the last because it can reduce the salt you're using. Less salty, more healthy. And the salt stays at the surface of the food, so you can taste the salt. If you put the salt in earlier, as the salt sinks inside the rice, your taste bud might need more to feel the same. That's the trick to get the same taste but consume less salt. Stir the mix well. Try to add some if you need more flavor. You don't want it to be too bland or too salty, since this is the only add-in flavor. Now we're done. Take it out into a dish. It's ready to serve. This will be one of my dishes for tonight's dinner. My daughter loves my fried rice. She wants to have a bite before it's being put onto the dinner table. Here's the peak of our dinner for tonight. We usually have 4 dishes. For tonight, it's cabbage, fried rice, dumplings, and beef. And the last, we have soup. No soup, no dinner, our tradition. And you can see, after 20 minutes, we finished them all. That's it for today's fried rice tutorial. Let me summarize the key steps for the recipe. You need overnight cooked rice, and cook eggs, then add rice in. Add green onions when rice is fully cooked. Put salt in as your last step. The whole cooking process should only take you around 10 minutes. It's simple, fast, and delicious. I hope you enjoy my version of fried rice. Give it a try, and you will love it. If you like this video, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This is Crystal. Until next time, bye for now.